Good morning, CFT Church. I am Brother Joash from CFT Church, Chandigarh, India, and I would like to share my one of my vision that God showed me on June 13th. Yeah, on that night I saw a vision that I was in like a not like house, like an office plus and house. It was merged together. Yeah, so when I was there, I was just listening to a news that there were so many news about wars, and I heard that India is war with Pakistan and China also, and USA was resolving the issue of Ukraine and Russia. So yeah, all of those news were like, I asked my father, Pastor Kata, that what are all these things happening. He said these are the end times. I said okay. So then I went out to just for a blaze and for fresh air, and I saw outside like there were two houses. Our house was in the middle, and there were two houses. Once one house was at the right and the other was on the left. So yeah, when I got out, I saw that the two houses were shattered and blasted with bombs. So then I again got shocked. Yeah. So I came back again, and I was just there in my father's office, Pastor Kata's office, just sitting in the couch with my mother, Pastor Ambika, and my Brother Samuel. We were just sitting there, and I saw that there was one a big chart paper, a big chart, like where in that chart there were several columns, like first column, second column, third column, and in those columns were some names were written. Then I searched that. Then I was looking at the chart, and I thought of that my name was written on that column. So when I read the whole chart from front and back, my mother's, my father's, my brother's name were written, and all the others' name which I don't even know, but my name was not there on that chart. So I asked my father that why my name is not there on this chart. And so he said that just pray, and I will and the name will be added automatically on this chart. Then I say okay. Then I got out, and with my father I was like in the other room, and I saw a large pit. Like, it was a room which the half of the room was divided into half, and the one half, me and my father were standing there, and the other half was like a pit, a very big pit, that goes very deep, and I saw that in that pit it was like a big ocean. I would say an ocean of flowing lava. I saw that, a big flowing ocean of lava. Then when I tilted my head like this and saw that there was a uh, it was surrounded by mountains, and that on that in the shore of that lava lake, I saw that people were jumping on that lava lake. I asked my father that why are these people are jumping on in that lake of fire? Can't they see that this is the lake of fire and they can burn to death? Then my father said these are those people who are not willing to change their mind and not are willing to follow Christ. So then I was shocked. Then I came back inside, and my father also came with me. Then I prayed and prayed and prayed. Then I again got back to that room and prayed. Then I heard a voice that coming from that pit, that come down, no one is going to listen you, no one cares about you in heaven. Then I was surprised that who is speaking to me, no one is there in this room. Then I said to that voice that, who are you to decide my future? Who told you that no one cares about me in heaven? Then he again said, no one cares about you in heaven, come down. I said, first you come out, let me see who you are. Then he then like a creature that half of is from the neck till the toes, he was like full lizard body, and his mouth was like a face of a dog with two horns. Then he got up, jumped up from that pit, and tried to pull me down there and that pit. Then I was not scared. I was just kicked him back into that pit and closed the pit again. And then I went back to my father and asked him that why are all these things are happening. He said, son, wait for some time, wait for some minutes. Then I scolded my father that how can you say such a thing, that wait for some minute, how can you decide that this is the time when the rapture will happen. Then again with a calm mind he said again that wait for some time and wait for some minute. Then I immediately got up and I prayed. uh, Early morning I woke up and prayed to God that what was this dream. And then I shared it with my father, and he was also shocked. So yeah, this was my dream. Thank you.